Hello everyone, I'm James Anderson, the CEO of RioDeFi. Welcome to our channel and our weekly video newsletter. Please go ahead to like and subscribe, that way you can make sure you stay up to date with all of our progress. We have many things to discuss today, and the first thing I want to talk about is the MantraDAO staking app, which now has the RFuel staking rewards program integrated with it. So for a limited time, you can actually stake RFuel on MantraDAO to earn a 50% APR rate. Also, we're going to talk about the RFuel listings on both BitMax and KuCoin, which happened earlier this week. I know many of you have been asking of our agenda for exchange listings, so we're super excited to be launching on these two major exchanges and also have staking programs with them. So let's start with the MantraDAO RFuel staking program. So RFuel can be staked on MantraDAO to earn 50% APR, which is annual percentage rate. So the first thing you need to do is to install MetaMask and have RFuel in that wallet. You can connect that then with the MantraDAO staking app at app.mantradao.com/staking. Now currently this needs to be done from a desktop computer, but in the future we'll have mobile options available. Then all you need to do is simply follow the steps in the app to choose how much RFuel you'd like to stake, and you can start immediately staking after you press the Stake Now button, and it'll take about 24 hours before the rewards show in the app. Unlike some staked asset programs, there's no set duration for the staking of RFuel, so you can unstake your rewards at any time without penalties. However, there is an 8-day unstaking period that you must wait before you can withdraw those staked tokens. And this 8-day period also applies to the staking rewards that you earn on a 24-hour basis. Now, unclaimed rewards are those that are earned and calculated every 24 hours. They're available immediately to either claim, which means you would withdraw them, or you can choose to restake to start earning rewards immediately. Now, note that the Ethereum gas fees apply for either action, so be sure you want to calculate that and see when it makes sense to choose to withdraw or restake your rewards. Now, when we move to the RioChain mainnet, this is going to be a much smoother process to allow for auto restaking and also to minimize the gas fees that you pay. So, rather than paying a few dollars in Ethereum, you're going to be paying at most a few pennies using RFuel because the transaction fee on RioChain is 0.1 RFuel. Now, if you have any questions, there's a step-by-step guide available at app.mantradao.com/support, and we'll also be releasing a video tutorial later today with walking you through step-by-step how to stake in less than a minute. Exciting news as well, there are currently over 20 million RFuel staked through the MantraDAO app, which makes the MantraDAO app the largest user of RFuel currently on the network. So we're super excited to see that. And regarding the listings now, so from day one, our top priority with RFuel has been to provide abundant liquidity options for our holders. This may have had a detrimental effect in the short term on price. However, in the long term, we absolutely know that this is going to help to increase the scalability of RFuel to various communities, right? We need to get RFuel out there in the awareness of the public and also to give people abundant opportunities to trade. And so, when the tides shift in the cryptocurrency markets, we think this will have a hugely positive effect on RFuel. So this is part of our mission, is to make crypto easy to use, so RFuel should also be easy to find. Now, another key consideration for us when we added these exchanges was in terms of the marketing support and community building. So we've had AMAs with both BitMax and KuCoin, which we're very excited about. The RFuel staking program on BitMax is offering a 50% APR for a limited time. And one of the great things about the BitMax program is that you can actually auto restake your staking rewards so that you can compound them. They also allow you to unstake early, although there is a small penalty for doing that. Now, I'm sure you're all aware of the cyber attack that KuCoin was a victim to a few weeks ago, and you might wonder, why is RFuel listed there? Well, in our opinion, KuCoin handled that situation with the utmost of professionalism. All their users' funds were completely refunded, so no losers lost any money through the hack. And they fixed the issues that led to this incident. The process that they took was very straightforward. They were super transparent with the community at every step of the way, and they really rallied the whole blockchain industry around them to help provide support in terms of smart contract and security audits, in terms of getting the assets restored to their users in a timely manner. And so we still believe that KuCoin is one of the leading exchanges in the entire cryptocurrency space. So we're super excited to be listed on them. And also we're part of their PoolX staking rewards program. So you can actually stake RFuel on KuCoin to earn 50% APR for a limited time, as well as earn their pool tokens, which are mining rewards that you earn every day that you stake RFuel on their platform. Now, as you probably know, RioDeFi is about to complete one of our most important milestones in the history of our company, which is the launch of the RioChain mainnet and Rio Wallet. Since the completion of our technical audit last summer, our developers have been working around the clock to bring this technology to the public. And RioChain is RioDeFi's most important piece of technology because it's the thing that connects together our entire ecosystem of CrossFi, which is cross-chain DeFi. So it enables a broad ecosystem of financial services which can be used by millions of users globally. Rio Wallet is the main gateway besides our block explorer through which users can interact with RioChain. So we spent the last 18 months thinking about this product, looking at the interface, and figuring out the best ways to bring something great to the public that you guys can all interact with Rio Wallet to easily transmit different currencies, cryptocurrencies. Eventually we'll have it so you can purchase fiat crypto with fiat directly through Rio Wallet. And it's not just a tool for crypto people, but also for people that are not familiar with blockchain technology. So both RioChain and Rio Wallet will be rolled out in phases. So not all the features will be available from day one, because even though we've been testing the beta chain for about 6 months now, to release such a complex piece of software to the public is something that requires extreme caution to ensure that it's done in a safe and secure manner. Now, RioChain operates under a proof of authority consensus model, but we'll be switching to a nominated proof of stake model within the next few months. And before that, we'll actually be launching our NPOS testnet, where you can actually go and try out the validator process for creating a node, staking RFuel to participate in the on-chain governance process. And so we're super excited to have more details for that in the coming weeks. From day one, Rio Wallet will have embedded staking, the generic asset gateway, which will support a broad range of assets, including Bitcoin, ETH, Ohm, USDT, and of course, RFuel. We're still looking good for launching both of those products by the end of this month, so we'll keep you posted on our social media. Stay tuned for that. And that's it for today. I hope this information was useful, and go ahead, like and subscribe to the video to make sure you can stay up to date with our progress. I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Take care.